Huzur, her question is, the last student went to Jamia from Bangladesh in 1982. After that, no student got any chance to go there.
I see.
So naturally, a big gap is being created due to the situation. So how can we bridge this gap? In future, is there any possibility?
First of all, I think let's pray to God that this new regime is honest and sincere and meaningful in the program as mentioned by Musharraf. He appeared to be honest, but the most interesting news about him, which I have just received from Pakistan, is that someone inquired from him, who was your ideal, right from childhood. He answered, my ideal was Kamal Turk. So I think we should all write to him that Ataturk who asked mullahs, all of them, to sit in a boat, and the boat was sunk. So you better prove your honesty by sinking all these mullahs. You're still talking like this. This is a time for him to be brave. Once and for all, he should declare Pakistan as a secular country, and from then on, Pakistan will be free from all problems. Secular country, like Qadi Azam had said it should be a secular country.